DFY Suite 3.0 is a backlink builder that uses its own database of high-authority websites, social accounts, and bookmarking sites to build powerful backlinks that boost your rankings. This new version 3.0 has made it so that websites and YouTube videos can rank in all languages, even if they don't have many views. This will allow people who speak different languages to be able to see these things, and it will make more people able to find them. 5x the sites, 5x the authority, 5x the ranking power than the previous version. Now you can get global rankings using the multilingual feature. Servers and IPs have been extended, which will help us get higher rankings at the global level searches. Improved AI content engine will make 100% unique content for each and every backlink submission. It has removed all barriers when it comes to quality content syndication. DFY Suite 3.0 is better, faster, and more irresistible. DFY Suite 3.0 review. What are the new features? 5x more power and authority. Version 3.0 is better than version 2.0 because you can post your content on many more sites with higher authority, so it is easier to rank for the same things, but in less time. New 3-step campaign submission system. The new version of DFY Suite 3.0 only asks you to do 3 simple steps. All you need to do is put your website or YouTube video URLs, enter the keywords you want to rank for, and choose how many links you want to build. That's it, get global level rankings. I never saw this feature in other backlink software, which is securing global level rankings with the multilingual feature. DFY Suite 3.0 is now submitted your links on foreign languages too, which means you will get global rankings. Extended IPs and servers globally. DFY Suite 3.0 has more servers and IPs around the world. This will make your websites rank higher on Google. That is because Google always looks at how many referring IPs you have to rank you high on their list. The more referring IPs you have, the better your ranking will be. Content generation system revamped. Good quality content or links to your website from other websites is important. In DFY Suite version 3.0, the content generation system has been completely revamped. One of the changes was that it now integrates Create content generation software with DFY Suite. This means that all the links are unique and original, speed up rankings with own private PBN. Building links from PBNs can help SEO. DFY Suite 3.0 has a lot of PBNs and they are all on different servers and IPs. This will make your websites and videos more powerful. Site details breakdown. DFY Suite 3.0 shows the information about their web network. You can see how many sites they have, how much power each website has, and what type of websites they are. .com, .net, .ru. This is all shown in a graph. See the image in the next part. DFY YouTube video embeds. DFY Suite 3.0 does automatic embeds of your YouTube videos. You just need to put a simple shortcode %video% in the content module to embed your YouTube videos automatically. You can find out how to use the software on the next few pages of my DFY Suite 3.0 review. Who should you consider buying this? DFY Suite 3.0 is a powerful software that helps you promote your content on Google. It will help make sure that your content is ranked higher in the search engine. This tool is perfect for SEO specialists, bloggers, website owners, Ecom store owners, YouTubers, content marketers, freelancers, local marketers, online entrepreneurs, newbies,